twice. I'm not kidding.
That's nice.
And it's just that there's not much to fight about. What are you looking at, buddy?
Ambiance. What are you listening to in one ear?
Nothing now.
You just had that in for like an hour and a half.
Well, it just had, I think the battery died. You are.
Yeah, their music is a little different than I thought they were starting with. Pretty good though. Got a live band.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's
Prairie Beach live band.
So what are you guys over at the campfire? We are the campfire.
Yeah.
Like we're there whether we want to be or not.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
You're
How are the meat ones?